We have high heat like this, when we have rainless days like what we've had, you start to see the soil really dry out. So drought is going to go up, unfortunately. And then whenever our ground is dry, our temperature's a lot easier to reach the triple digits, unfortunately.
So are we looking at breaking any records for like extended heat? I mean, this seems crazy. I know we've had some bad years though.
We've had some bad years. This is not going to be a record-breaking year. However, we could see some record high temperatures come Friday and Saturday, unfortunately. So let's go ahead and get right to it, because today we do have the extreme heat warning, and this is for a heat index up to 109, actual temperature over 105. This, by the way, in place through this evening. It'll likely get extended an additional days simply because of the heat that we're expecting for the remainder of the week. High temperature today makes it to about 105 in McKinney, Denton, and in Fort Worth, 106 in Dallas, about 105, 104 along areas of the Red River south of Interstate 20, likely staying really close to about 99 to 100 degrees. But every day after today, we're looking at least a high of 105, and that's what we're expecting Thursday, 106 on Friday, 107 on Saturday, and 106 on Sunday. This is about 9 to 12 degrees warmer than what's considered normal this time of the year. And as far as the records go, we could see a record high get tied on Friday, record high on Saturday, with the high projection to be 107. The record is 105. So again, we're looking at dangerous heat, not just today, but at least through the weekend. Any rain potential is looking very slim. Any cloud cover, it won't limit how much we're warming. So what's happening tomorrow is that we do have a front that works its way through Oklahoma. It'll help spark up some showers and thunderstorms, and that in turn could help really bump up our rain chances for far northeastern North Texas. This is around 7 p.m. on Thursday. A lot of this activity, though, stays east of DFW. We're looking at 20% coverage at best. This is not going to be something that's really going to help us out in terms of cooling us down. But we haven't seen rain since July 13th. That was the last time we had measurable rainfall at DFW, specifically when we picked up over 1.25 inches. And that puts us, including today, at 37 days without measurable rainfall. August has had one day where we had a trace of rain, and that was August 9th. But again, that doesn't count because it wasn't measurable rainfall. And because of the high heat, because of the ongoing rainless streak, we unfortunately have an elevated fire danger, and it is looking like very high for areas of Denton, Dallas County, Ellis County, Kaufman County towards the northeast, and a lot of our eastern counties. And again, this is because of the heat, the high heat, the lack of rain, and the lower humidity. That's why we also have burn bans in place for a majority of North Texas. This does not include Collin and Rockwall. This is actually decided on by county officials, so different criteria for every county. This all being brought on by that heat dome that continues to bring several states heat alerts, at least through the end of the week. We're looking at extended period of triple-digit heats. Today, we are looking at our 26th of 2026, and we'll continue to add to that number here at least through the end of the month, beginning of September. Morning lows in the low 80s and mostly rain-free. We'll be back.